Yes, question number 4. D and H. D number and H number problem you are saying. Okay, let's do question number D. Question number D, there is cot A plus 10B upon cot B plus 10A is equal to cot A 10B. We have to prove. Question number 4D, cot A plus 10B upon, next is cot B plus 10A, cot B plus 10A is equal to, we have to prove cot A 10B. Cot A 10B. Yes. Now you can see here on the board. We have to, by taking LHS, we have to prove RHS. Cot A plus 10B upon cot B plus 10A. So you can take here LHS, taking LHS left hand side. All of you, you can convert this cot and 10 in terms of sine and cos. The cot or 10 लाई sine or cos को term में change गर्ने. Cot B plus 10A. Then this equal to cot A, we can write cos upon sine. We have to apply the cosine relation. Cos A upon sine A, we can write plus 10B is equal to sine B upon cos B. You know formula. Everybody, you know, tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. And next is cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sine theta. This is tan and a cot are reciprocal to each other. So tan theta is equal to sine by cos and cot equal to cos by sine. Better you change this all in terms of sine and cos. So here cot A, I'm writing cos A upon sine A, tan B writing sine B by cos B, whole upon. Downside also saying cot B is equal to, we can write cos B upon sine B plus tan A is equal to sine A upon cos A. Sine A upon cos A we can write. And this upside, we can take LCM. Here's the cos by sine plus sine by cos we have. We can take LCM of this upside, this and this, and downside, this and this. We have to take LCM. Okay, together upside. We can take LCM. LCM of sine and cos is sine and cos both we can write sine A into cos B. We can take LCM of sine A and cos B, then sine A cos B we can write. And sine it is same, cos B remaining. You know this rational expression, how to simplify everybody. Sine A is equal to sine A. This is equal. Here cos B is remaining. Cos B multiplies with this cos A, then cos A cos B. We can write cos A cos B, this like plus. Here is also cos B and cos B is equal. This cos B becomes cancelled. Sine A is remaining. Sine A into sine B. Here we can write sine A dot sine B. We can write it is multiply. Whole upon this downside also same. We can take LCM. LCM of sine B and cos A is sine B cos A. Sine B cos A we can write. And then sine B is equal to sine B. This is cancelled. This is cos A is remaining. Cos A multiplies with this cos B. Then cos A cos B. Cos A cos B. Plus here we have to compare these denominators with the LCM. Cos A cancel with this cos A. Then this is sine B remaining. यो यताको cos A र यो cos A सेम हुन्छ. यो बचेको sin B जे बाँकी रहन्छ त्यो बाँकी बचेकोले माथि न्युमरेटरले मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने हो. Cos A and cos A equal. So here sin B remaining. Sin B multiplies with this sin A. Sin A sin B. Sin A sin B. Yes, this like we can write. I think up to here you are understanding. If you do have problem, then tell me. Okay. कसैको केही कन्फ्युजन छ भने सोधिहाल्नु ल. After this is equal to, you know that if we have A upon B whole upon C upon D, you know this type of fraction you have learned in the class 7, 8 also you have done. This we can write A upon B. This first fraction is A by B. This fraction is divided by another fraction C by D. Then this fraction we can put as it is. This is the main division sign. So this divide sign we convert into multiply. then we do reciprocal. This C by D we have, then we can add D by C. Same procedure we have to follow here also. You know, this is first fraction, this second fraction. This fraction is divided by this fraction. So main division sign is this. So we have to write this first step. This first numerator fraction we can keep same as it is. Cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B we can put as it is. Divided by downside we have sin A and cos B, we have same as it is, we can put sin A into cos B. Now this main division sign now we can change into multiply. This multiply we can do. Then we have to write the reciprocal of this. As for reciprocal legne, you follow sin B cos A we have to write in the numerator upside, sin B cos A we have to write upside, divided by this upper one cos A cos B plus sin A sin B we have to write downside, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B we have to write here. Now everybody, these are same, so we can cut it. We can cut it. Thereafter, there is remaining upside sin B cos A remaining, divided by downside sin A cos B is remaining. Now everyone, what we have to prove on the right hand side, you can check it, cot A and tan B. The cot A means, you know, cos A upon sin A. So if you can write this by arranging it, cos A upon sin, you can arrange it. Cos A upon sin, you can write, another is sin B by cos B. Sin B upon cos B, you can write by arranging it. You cos A upon sin A garauni, or sin B upon cos B garauni. So cos A upon sin A is cot A into sin B by cos B is tan B. So this like we can write. This is the right hand side. Yes, cot A tan B ल्याउनु पर्ने छ यो आउने बित्तिकै हामी cot A भनेको cos A upon sin A हो. Cos A upon sin A, like cos A is here. Cos A upon sin A we can write by arranging. Sin B by cos B we can write this separately. Then this is cot A into tan B. RHS is true. Understood? Do you have problem here in taking LCM? LCM मा कति समस्या छ यहाँतिर?
No, sir.
Now, next question. Next question is which number you are saying? F number, isn't it? F number? H number. Okay, H number. What is the question? Please tell me. What is the question?
1 plus tan square C bracket close cos square C upon 1 minus
1 plus tan square C into cos
cube C
cos cube C upon
bracket
1
minus sin square C
sin square C into
sin C.
Here outside sin C.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to
6C into cos C.
Sec C into cosec C. So this is we have to prove. Okay, look at here. So here also we can take LHS direct, we can do. So 1 plus tan square C is equal to, what is the formula, you know? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, you know. Sec square theta, that is Q we have to write. 1 plus direct, if there is place to apply the formula, then direct you have to apply the formula. 1 plus tan square C is equal to, we can write sec square C. 1 plus tan square equal to sec square C from the formula. And into another cos cube we have to keep same. Cos cube C we have to keep same. Divided by, here also 1 minus sin square C. 1 minus sin square C is equal to, what is formula? Cos square C. Isn't it?
Yeah.
1 minus sin square C is equal to cos square C into another is sin C. We have to put same as it is. Now this cos square C we have to plot with this cube. Here still 1 cos C remains here. You know, x cube upon x square, if there is x square, it cancel with this cube, and here still another 1 x remains here. Every x अझै बाँकी रहन्छ. दुईटा x काटेर एउटा x बाँकी रहन्छ नि त है. So here is, you know, cos cube C is remaining. Cos square cancel with this cube. You have 3 वटा cos यहाँ दुईटा cos दुईटा त काट्यो, एउटा cos यहाँ अझै बाँकी रहन्छ. So this is remaining upside sec square C
Open
into this is cos c remaining here divided by sin c. Okay, now all the students, you can understand like this. Every one of you, please look here. There is sec square c into cos c. What is the relation of cos and sec? Cos र sec को relation के हो अरे?
1.
Oh, 1 हुन्छ है. Sec into cos त 1 हुन्छ, तर यहाँ त square छ. यदि square भइदिएको भए त answer 1 हुन्छ. You know, reciprocal of sec and cos. Cos is sec. So you know sec cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. यसको answer 1 हुन्छ. किनकि cos र sec को reciprocal को product गर्दा 1 हुन्छ अनि पढेछु. The product of the reciprocal of trigonometric ratios is always 1 भनी पढाएको हो. पढिराख्छु. So cos into sec is equal to 1. So sec square theta into cos square
sec लाई दुईटा गर्न मिल्दैन.
मिल्छ. अब गर्ने हो त्यही चाहिँ गर्ने. अब यहाँ सुन्नु त.
दुईटा गर्ने.
अब यसलाई हामीले के गर्न सक्छौं भने this sec square c we can write 2 times sec c dot cos c. This like we can write divided by sin c. I am writing
1 भइहाल्यो माथिको.
sec square 2 times we can write. तिमीले गरेछौ कसरी? अब cos c लाई 1 by sec गरेर काटे पनि हुन्छ, केही फरक पर्दैन. यसरी काट्न पनि पाउँछौ. Sec square c into cos c. Then you can write sec square c. You can put as it is into this cos c. We can write 1 by sec c, and this we can cut. एउटाले काट्न पाइन्छ. यसरी काट्न पनि पाइन्छ. यसरी कट गर्न पाइयो मजाले है. यसरी पनि पाइयो तिमीले गर्न. अब मैले चाहिँ यसरी छुट्याए, केही फरक छैन, यो एउटै कुरा हो. जसरी गर्दा पनि पुग्नु पर्ने ठाउँ हो यो. ल अब यसमा के हुन्छ त भन?
यो 1 हुन्छ.
This is 1 or not? यो 1 भयो कि नै?
Yes, 1 भयो सर.
Cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1, you know. So here cos c into sec c is equal to 1. So this is we can write upside sec this c into upon downside is sin c. तलपट्टि sin c बाहिर. अब हेर त RHS math answer आयो कि नै?
1 छ नि सर.
Sec is already came.
1 पनि छ.
सर 1 लाई चाहिँ टुक्राइदियो.
This 1 no need to write बाबु लेख्न पर्दैन हेर त. यो 1 यो sec into 1 गर्दा what is?
सर RHS मा त cos sec पनि निकाल्न छ नि. 1 upon sin is equal to cos sec.
हुन्छ त्यो केही फरक पर्दैन हैन. फरक पर्दैन, एउटै हो. यो मिल्छ है, यो मिल्यो है. अनि this can be written sec this is c into 1 by sin c. Can we write यहाँ त 1 त हुन्छ नि त. यहाँ लेख्न जरुरी छैन. तिमीले भन्न खोजेको यहाँ यो this cos into sec गर्दाखेरि यहाँ 1 आयो नि सर 1 लेख्नु पर्छ भनेन. 1 लेख्नु त जरुरी छैन. 1 into something is something same. X into 1 x, y into 1 y. So this 1 it does not have any value in multiply. Multiply मा केही पनि हुन्न, as it is रहन्छ. त्यही कारणले गर्दा 1 नलेख्दा पनि हुन्छ के. मैले 1 नलेखेको यहाँ हैन. So here this 1 is not writing. यो sec into cos गर्दा यो 1 आयो. 1 मैले लेखेन यहाँ multiply मा चाहिँ क्लियर लेखेँ है त. This sec upon sin. The sec upon sin. Sec answer is came already. यो आइसकेको कुरा छोड्दिने अब यसलाई. अब cosec ल्याउनु पर्यो. Cosec is equal to 1 by sin. So you know here 1 upside there is 1 upon sin we can write sec into 1 by sin also we can write. This is sec, this is c into 1 by sin is cosec. So this is RHS code. RHS code. Did you understand? Any doubt?
No sir.
You need to practice a lot. एकदम धेरै practice गर्नु पर्छ है. यस्तै क्वेशन फर्मुलाहरु सम्झिने अनि त्यसै practice गर्ने कामहरु त एकदम कन्टिन्यू गरिरहनु पर्छ. एक दुईटा क्वेशन मात्र गरेर हुन्न. You have to create the idea yourself. कन्सेप्ट आफैले डेभलप गर्ने हो के. फर्मुलाहरु सबै राम्रोसँग बुझ्ने जान्ने हुन्छ. ल. Okay, now let's go to next question. अब हामी अर्कोमा जाऊ. जबरजस्ती घोकेर हुन्न गरे. फर्मुलाहरु त सम्झिन पर्यो, तर चाहिँ अरु यो आइडेन्टिटी प्रुभ गर्दाखेरि आफैले आइडियाहरु क्रिएसन गर्न पर्छ. आफैले गर्ने हो. प्र्याक्टिस गर्दै जाऊ. जति प्र्याक्टिस गर्यो त्यति परफेक्सन आउँछ. ल, नेक्स्ट. क्वेशन नम्बर 5 okay, today 5 number. 5 number A, B is same question, C and D also same question, E and F number similar question, G and H similar question छ. यहाँ मैले एउटा एउटा गर्दिन्छु. ल, क्वेशन नम्बर 5. 5 number first question you
होल स्क्वायर जस्तै हैन सर.
yes के भन्नु भयो?
उताको गरे पनि हुन्छ नि सर.
एउटा गरेपछि अर्को आफै अटोमेटिकली आउँछ हैन ल
RHS.
हेर है ल अब म चाहिँ ए नम्बर 5 को एउटा गरिदिन्छु 5 number A, you can see 5 number A. 5 number A, we have there 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. 1 by sec theta, it is delta, eh? 1 by sec delta plus tan delta is equal to, there is, we have to prove 1 minus sin delta upon cos delta. 1 minus sin delta upon cos delta. Now, question is this, A and B are same question. I am doing A number question. Look it here.
Sir, त्यो 1 लाई चेन्ज गरे हुन्छ हैन
तिमीले चाहिँ 1 लाई चेन्ज गरिदिन्छ अगाडि पनि गरेको यस्तो क्वेशन 1 लाई तल sec tan छ भने माथि 1 लाई चाहिँ sec square minus tan square you can write. This LHS you can take. LHS you can take directly. So 1 upon there is sec delta. This is delta, it is a Greek letter. Tan delta. You know. Now everybody, you know, you have to see the structure of the question. Question को structure हेर्ने कस्तो खालको question छ. यहाँनिर तलतिर sec delta tan delta छ माथि 1 छ भनेपछि अब हामीले यता sin cos मा प्रुफ गर्नुपर्ने छ. Everybody, you know, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. यो 1 भने पढेको पहिला पनि हामीले गरेको यस्तो खालको क्वेशन. अघिल्लो रिभिजन एक्सरसाइजमा हामीले यस्तो यस्तो क्वेशन गरेको. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 हुन्छ. त्यसो भए in downside is sec theta and tan theta, so upside 1 in place of 1 we can write here sec square delta minus tan square delta we can do. A downside is same, sec delta plus tan delta. Can you understand?
Sir, there we can write sin and cos also there. Sin and cos need to prove. So
Yeah, you can do in that way also. आउँछ त्यसरी पनि आउँछ एन्सर गर्न जसरी गरे पनि हुन्छ. अब तिमीलाई आइडिया धेरै छ नि त मैले त आइडिया धेरै भन्दै छु एउटा तरिका मात्र आउन थुप्रै तरिकाले एप्लाई गर्न सकिन्छ भनिरहेको छु त्यसरी पनि पाइन्छ है. So we can do one place sec square delta minus tan square delta I am writing because sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 answer. So we can write sec square theta minus tan square theta in place of 1. The downside is same. So upside, you know, formula it is a square minus b square. Formula is a plus b, a minus b we can write. Once we can write sec delta plus tan delta. Another is sec delta minus tan delta. Divided by downside is sec delta plus tan delta. यो गरेपछि हामीलाई के फाइदा हुन्छ भने यसमा यहाँ काट्न पाइन्छ sec plus tan remove हुने भयो नि त eliminate हुने भयो. This after there is remaining sec delta minus tan delta. Now you can change it into the sin and cos because we have to prove the answer in sin and cos. So now you can change sec and tan into sin and cos. So sec delta is equal to 1 by cos delta we can write, you know, formula, and minus tan equal to, you know, sin delta upon cos delta. Tan like sin by cos लेख्न पर्यो. Then after you can take LCM. Downside cos delta we have same, so same denominator we write 1v1 LCM. Upside is cos same, cos same. Then upside 1 minus sin delta. This like RHS we can prove it. यसरी गर्न सकिन्छ. Similarly B also you can do. यस्तै गरी B गर्न सकिन्छ. यस्तो खालको क्वेशन अगाडि पनि मैले गराएको हुँ. अगाडि एक्सरसाइजमा हामीले गरेकै क्वेशन हो यो. तो यो तल हेर्ने sec delta plus tan delta छ. योसँग रिलेटेड फर्मुला भनेको sec square minus tan square हो. So in place of 1 we can write sec square minus tan square. So sec square minus tan square formula we know, sec plus tan, sec minus tan formula. A plus b, a minus b. Then we can cut this. एउटा त काट्ने भयो सिधै काटेपछि अरु बाँकी जे रहन्छ that we have to change in terms of sin and cos because we have to get the answer in sin and cos. So this is sec we can write 1 by cos, tan we can write sin by cos. The cos LCM we can take. Cos LCM upside is 1 minus sin delta. This is the RHS proof. In this way we can solve it. Now next question. If anybody have confusion then speak, okay? Now next question. Next question. You go to the question number. This is not, sorry. Okay, You can come to the question number 5. A became B number. You can do similarly. B number similarly you can do or not? See
Yes, sir,
one
we
question. You can prove this in different ways. Okay, फरक फरक तरिकाले प्रुभ गर्न सकिन्छ है. एउटै तरिकाले प्रुभ गर्न सकिन्छ भन्ने छैन, अरु वेबाट पनि प्रुभ गर्न सकिन्छ. So you can try it. B number similarly here cosec minus cot
Cosec
we have. So
square.
in place of 1 we can write cosec square delta minus cot square delta, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So you do it yourself. यहाँ यस तल cosec र cot छ भने cosec र cot सँग रिलेटेड फर्मुला के हो? cosec square theta minus tan square theta हामीले जाने छौं, त्यसैबाट जान सकिन्छ. ल नाउ क्वेशन नम्बर C and D. C र D उस्तै उस्तै छ. हेर त यहाँ 1 minus cot 1 plus cot छ. राइट मा फेरि 10 ठ्याक्कै 10 minus 1 10 plus 1 प्रुभ गर्नु. ठ्याक्कै उल्टो अपोजिट प्रुभ गर्नु पर्ने छ. यहाँ पनि 1 minus 10 1 plus 10 छ. यहाँ cot यो एउटै क्वेशन हो. यसलाई यहाँ राख्दै यसलाई यता यो अगाडि पछाडी गर्दैछ C र D. हेर त ल यसलाई चाहिँ LHS लिएर RHS प्रुभ गर्न पनि सकियो, RHS लिएर LHS प्रुभ गर्न पनि सकियो. यु क्यान डु बाइ एनी वन वे. LHS बाट RHS प्रुभ गर्न पनि सक्छौ, RHS लिएर LHS गर्न पनि सक्छौ. यो C र D एउटै क्वेशन हो, केही फरक छैन. यहाँ चाहिँ LHS RHS यहाँको यसको RHS लाई यहाँ LHS मा लेखिदिएको छ, यहाँको LHS लाई यहाँ RHS मा लेखिदिएको छ, एउटै कुरा है. ल क्वेशन नम्बर C वन्स लुक इट. एकपल्ट हेरिहाल क्वेशन नम्बर C को. मैले सर्टली एकदम प्रुभ गर्छु. क्वेशन नम्बर 5 को B number. B number there is question 1 minus cot delta upon 1 plus cot delta. 1 minus cot delta upon 1 plus cot delta is equal to 10 delta minus 1 upon 10 delta plus 1. एकदम सजिलो छ, गाह्रो छैन. ल हेरिहाल्नु. अब C नम्बर जानेपछि D नम्बर नजाने कुरा हुने एउटै कुरा हो. ल हेर है. Look it everyone. Look on the question here. Question में हेर्नु है, यहाँ ध्यान दिने बोर्डमा. Okay, now you can see every one of you here you can solve by taking LHS and RHS. LHS layer RHS prove गर्न सकिन्छ, or you can take RHS then you can prove LHS also, no problem. So here usually we take LHS, taking LHS दिने. मैले यहाँ धेरै डिटेलमा लेखेन. So 1 minus cot delta we have, the question is 1 minus here LHS we can write 1 minus cot delta upon 1 plus cot delta. अब यहाँ cot लाई हेर त 10 मा प्रुभ गर्न पर्ने छ. हेर है, how to change it? We have to prove in terms of 10 in the right hand side, so that we have to change this cot in terms of 10. Cot लाई 10 को terms मा change गर्दिने. So what is the formula? The formula of cot theta in terms of 10. Cot लाई 10 मा लाने फर्मुला के छ रे?
Cot लाई 10 मा लाने फर्मुला.
Reciprocal relation. Cot theta equal to 1 by 10 formula.
Yes.
Hey, you know, cot लाई 10 लानु पर्यो, 1 by 10 गर्न पर्यो. 10 लाई cot मा लानु पर्यो, 10 theta equal to 1 by cot. यो त फर्मुला चाहिँ सबै पढिसकेको छ, क्लियर बनाइदिसकेको छु पहिले. जब कतिको जाने छौ यो, you have to keep this in your mind. Cot theta equal to 1 by 10, 10 equal to 1 by cot. These are the reciprocal to each other, so 10 is equal to 1 by cot, cot equal to 1 by 10. So here this cot theta. Yes.
C नंबर को क्वेशन हो कि B नंबर को? र
sorry C number. C number. Now this is 1 minus cot delta. Cot delta we can write 1 by 10 delta. We have to prove in the terms of 10 here. So this cot delta is equal to, we can write 1 by 10 delta. Cot delta like 1 by 10 delta divided by, here is also 1 plus cot theta. We have to change in the 10, so we have to cot delta. We can write 1 by 10 delta. This line we can write. Now take LCM. Upside you can take LCM. Downside you can take LCM. Let's take the LCM. LCM we can take. There khasa nahi. 1 minus 1 by 2. How do you take LCM? Here 2 is LCM.
In there. Yes.
And 2 cross multiplies with this 1. 2 ones are 2 minus 1. This line we can solve it. So similarly, here is 1 minus 1 by 10 delta we have. When you take LCM here, then 10 delta is LCM. 10 delta is LCM. So here 10 delta multiplies with this 1. So here 10 delta into 1, then here 10 delta we can write here. A minus 1 is same as it is. So similarly, we can do in denominator also. Numerator and denominator same काम गर्दै जाने हो. So upside I take LCM, mathematical LCM into पहिला 10 delta we can take LCM, 10 delta we can take LCM. 10 delta multiplies with this one, 10 delta cross multiply with this one, 10 delta into 1, 10 delta we can add here, 10 delta and minus this is 1 we can put here 1 same whole divided by downside also same we can do. Downside also 10 delta we can take LCM, 10 delta we can take LCM, 10 delta into 1 we can write here 10
Sir,
delta
proof.
and a plus 1. Yes. Now this 10 delta we can cut also. Your 10 delta काट्न पाइन्छ यसरी किन. Your answer remaining answer is 10 delta minus 1 upon 10 delta plus 1 is your RHS group. Yes, this is the answer. We can do it. Can you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes if you like to take from RHS to LHS, यदि हाम्रो अर्को C पछि D नम्बरमा फेरि यस्तो दिएको छ, यो अगाडि गराइदिएको छ, यो पछाडि गराइदिएको छ, एउटै हो. 10 लाई चेन्ज गर्नु 10 लाई 1 by cut गर अनि सेम प्रोसेस अर्को आइहाल्छ. D नम्बर पनि सेम हो. ल. So now you can do this question yourself. Now let's go to the next question. अब अर्को क्वेशनमा गइहालौँ त. अब यसमा धेरै नभुलौँ, अब धेरै हामी एकदम स्लो गइरहेछौँ कि. Now you can see next question. Next question. Okay. Now A, B, C, D you can do yourself. Now question number E number and F number. Look it once here. मैले hint दिएर पुग्छ कि तिमीहरूलाई. Question number E 1 plus 10 upon 1 plus 10 upon 1 minus 10 equal to cos plus sin, cos minus sin. 1 plus cot एउटै छ यो क्वेशन हेर त. यसलाई के गरेर भने cos र sin मा चेन्ज गर्ने, sin cos मा चेन्ज गरे हुन्छ यसको आन्सर. बुझ्यौ नि? E नम्बरमा RHS we have to prove in sin and cos. So you have to change this 10 into
Yes,
sin
yes,
and
sir.
cos. 10 delta equal to sin by cos. Here also 10 equal to sin by cos you can do. Then you can cut it. This answer you can get.
Yes.
RHS this F number also same. F number पनि same हो. Cot like cos upon sin लेख्ने, cos upon sin लेख्ने अनि LCM लिएर गर्ने यो आइहाल्छ. हेर न एउटा क्वेशन ल हेर. E number just I do very shortly here. एकदम छोटो गरेर गर्छु यहाँ. सरसर गर्छु किन बुझ्छ होला है. Question number E number 1 minus 1 plus 10 upon 1 minus 10. 1 plus 10 delta upon 1 minus 10 delta is equal to we have to prove their cos plus sin, cos minus sin, cos delta plus sin delta and cos delta minus sin. You can see here on the board, everyone. Question हामीले question को demand के छ right hand side मा त्यही अनुसार जान पर्छ है. राइट साइड में हमें cos र sin मा प्रुफ गर्न छ भने यहाँ 10 लाई कट मा चेन्ज गरे हुन्न के रे. यो 10 लाई कट र कट मा चेन्ज गरे भने त कामै बन्दैन. यहाँ त हामीले sin cos मा ल्याउनु पर्ने छ नि. त्यही भएर यसलाई के गर सिधै गएर sin cos मा चेन्ज गर. tan theta is equal to you know sin theta sin delta upon cos delta you know formula. So like this you can change it. यहाँ LHS लिने. So one is same. 10 delta we can write sin delta upon cos delta upon 1 minus 10 delta equal to we can write sin delta upon cos delta. Now you can take LCM upside. माथि को माथि LCM लिने, तलको तलै LCM लिने, अघि नै जस्तै. Cos delta is LCM. Cos delta is LCM. Cos delta cross multiplies with 1. Cos delta into 1, then we can write here cos delta plus a sin delta is the same as it is. We can put sin delta as it is. हेर त यहाँ यसको र यसको यो दुईटाको LCM लिँदाखेरि cos delta LCM आयो. Cos delta multiplies with this one, you know the process. Cos delta into 1 cos delta plus sin delta is same. A whole upon a downside also same. Here also cos delta we can take LCM. Cos delta LCM also. Cos delta into 1 cos delta and minus next is sin delta. Now cos delta you can cut. Now other remaining is your answer. Now यसरी गर्न सकिँदो रहेछ RHS को.
Very.
Is any doubt over here?
No any doubt, sir.
Mr. Ayush Pandey, are you getting me? Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Reason, where are you? Reason, Nitya.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please tell me. Okay, problem, then tell me. Okay, now next question. Let's see last question of 5 number.
Sir, wait for show this question.
Yes, first. 10 लाई sin cos मा चेन्ज गरेर गरिदिएको छ ओके okay now our time also is going to be over okay now look at question number G and H. G number, look it here, it is 10 delta plus cot delta whole square is equal to sec square delta plus cosec square delta.
A plus
Like,
B
you know,
whole square, sir.
यसलाई a plus b whole square खोलेर गर ल यो तिम्रो आफै गर्ने यसलाई a plus b whole square खोलेर गर्ने here also 1 plus 10 delta whole square this also open in the form of 1 a plus b whole square try this yourself यो तिम्रो आफैले try गर्ने this try yourself now 6 number. Okay, now today up to 5 number only, complete 5 number. Do once G number class should do it. We have no more time. Do G number 1. G number class should do it just now. You just expand the formula of a plus b whole square there. A plus b whole square को formula expand गर्ने अनि
ए चाहिँ उताको पनि गरे पनि उताको मिल्ने
हजुर
हैन सर
do
आरएचएस बाट फेरि अर्को फर्मुला युज गरे हुन्छ
हुन्छ पाइन्छ अब बेटर एलएचएस ले लिए हुन्छ त्यहाँ सजिलो छ 10 र डेल्टा 10 र कट छ सजिलोसँग गर्न सकिन्छ एलएचएस लिने अनि लास्टमा त्यसलाई 1 + 10 स्क्वायर 10 स्क्वायरले सेक स्क्वायर -1 गर्ने कट स्क्वायरलाई कोसेक स्क्वायर -1 गर्ने अनि -1 + 1 त्यहाँ काटेला के हुन्छ त्यो गर न आइहाल्छ गरेपछि थाहा हुन्छ गर्न पर्छ गर्दै जाने आउँदै गर्छ